Download this code from codegib.com, link in the description below. OK, let's dive into enabling Gzip compression in WordPress in 2025, assuming the underlying principles and technology haven't drastically changed, which is a reasonable assumption. Gzip compression is a crucial optimization for WordPress sites, reducing the size of files sent to the browser, leading to faster page load times and a better user experience. This tutorial will cover various methods, from plugin-based to manual configuration, with a focus on modern approaches and best practices. Understanding Gzip compression. Before we begin, let's clarify what Gzip compression does. Data reduction. Gzip is a data compression algorithm that reduces the size of web files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML, etc., before they are sent from the server to the user's browser. Faster download times. Smaller files download faster, leading to quicker page rendering. This significantly improves perceived and actual website speed. Bandwidth savings. Less data transmitted means less bandwidth consumed, potentially reducing hosting costs and improving server performance, especially under high traffic. Browser support. Virtually all modern browsers support Gzip decompression automatically. When a browser sends a request, it includes an accept encoding, Gzip, deflate, BR header to indicate its support. The server, if configured, will then send a compressed response. Prerequisites. WordPress installation. You'll need a working WordPress website. Access to server. You need access to your web server's configuration files, example.access for Apache, nginx.conf for nginx, or control panel, cpanel, plusk, etc. File editor. A text editor capable of handling code, example VS Code, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Atom. Backup. Crucially, always back up your website and server configuration files before making any changes. This is essential in case something goes wrong. Testing tools. Tools like Gzip metrics, Google Page Speed Insights, or online Gzip compression checkers will be useful to verify that compression is enabled correctly. Browser developer tools, usually accessed with F12, can also show response headers to confirm Gzip. Methods to enable Gzip compression. We'll explore several ways to enable Gzip, ranked in terms of complexity and control. 1. WordPress plugins, easiest. This is generally the simplest method, especially for beginners. Many popular WordPress performance plugins include built-in Gzip compression features. Popular plugins. WP Rocket. A premium performance plugin with comprehensive caching, Gzip compression, and other optimization features. Lightspeed Cache. If you're using a Lightspeed web server, this plugin is highly optimized for Lightspeed servers and offers excellent caching and Gzip capabilities. Hummingbird. A free and premium plugin by WPMU Dev, offering caching, Gzip compression, and performance monitoring. Autoptimize. Primarily for CSS and JavaScript optimization, but can often work in conjunction with other plugins to enable Gzip effectively. WP Fastest Cache. A popular caching plugin that also offers Gzip compression options. How to use a plugin, example, WP Rocket. 1. Install and activate the plugin, WP Rocket in this example. 2. Go to the WP Rocket settings panel in your WordPress admin. 3. Typically, Gzip compression is enabled by default. If not, look for a section related to file optimization, Gzip compression, or static files. 4. Ensure the option to compress files with Gzip or something similar is enabled. 5. Save your changes. 6. Clear the plugins cache. 7. Test your website with a testing tool, Gzip metrics, etc., to verify that Gzip is enabled. Look for the content encoding, Gzip header in the response. Asterisk code example, plugin related. While you won't write code directly when using most Gzip plugins, a plugin might internally use functions similar to these. For demonstration purposes only, you wouldn't manually implement this if using a plugin. Important asterisk: this code snippet is for illustrative purposes only. Do not directly implement this if you're using a plugin. The plugin handles the configuration and activation of Gzip compression. Manually adding code like this can cause conflicts and instability. 2. Modifying .access, Apache servers. If you're using an Apache web server, you can enable Gzip compression by adding directives to your .access file. This method gives you more direct control. Asterisk accessing the .access file asterisk. Asterisk use an FTP client, FileZilla, CyberDuck, or your hosting provider's file manager to connect to your web server. Asterisk locate the .access file in your WordPress installation's root directory. If it doesn't exist, you can create one. Note asterisk files starting with a dot are often hidden by default, so make sure your FTP client is configured to show hidden files. Asterisk adding Gzip directives asterisk open the .access file in your text editor and add the following code block. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk if module mod_deflate.c, checks if the mod_deflate module, the Apache module responsible for Gzip compression, is enabled on the server. If it's not enabled, the code inside the if module block will not be executed. If the module isn't loaded, you'll need to contact your hosting provider to enable it. Asterisk if module mod_filter.c, checks if the mod_filter module is available. Asterisk add output filter by type deflate, this line specifies the file types that should be compressed. The list includes common web file types like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML, fonts, and images, SVG. It's important to include all relevant file types for maximum compression. In future versions, additional file types such as .aviv or .web might be added to this list as image formats evolve. Asterisk if module mod_setonviv.c and if module mod_headers.c, these sections add the vary, except encoding header to the response. This header tells caching servers, like CDNs, that the content might be different depending on the accept encoding header sent by the browser. This is crucial for ensuring that browsers receive the correct, compressed or uncompressed, version of the content. Asterisk BR, the BR encoding refers to .li compression, which is a more efficient compression algorithm than Gzip. Browsers that support .li will indicate this in their accept encoding header. If your server supports .li, enabling it can provide even better compression ratios. This section is designed to allow .li compression also. Asterisk save and upload asterisk save the changes to your .access file and upload it back to your server, overwriting the existing file. Asterisk test asterisk clear your browser cache and test your website using a testing tool. Verify that the content encoding, Gzip header is present in the HTTP response. Asterisk important considerations for .access asterisk. Asterisk placement asterisk place the Gzip directives at the beginning of the .access file, before any WordPress specific rules. This can help avoid conflicts. Asterisk hosting restrictions asterisk some hosting providers restrict access to or modification of the .access file. If you encounter issues, contact your hosting support. Asterisk syntax errors. Asterisk incorrect syntax in the .access file can cause a 500 internal server error. Double check your code for typos and proper formatting. 3. Nginx configuration, Nginx servers. If your web server is Nginx, you'll need to modify the Nginx configuration file, nginx.conf, to enable Gzip compression. This is a more advanced approach, typically requiring SSH access to the server. Asterisk accessing the nginx.conf file. Asterisk connect to your server via SSH. Asterisk the location of the nginx.conf file varies depending on your server setup. Common locations include *etc/nginx/nginx.conf */local/nginx/conf/nginx.conf */etc/nginx/confd/default.conf */etc/nginx/sites available/your_site.conf *. Use a text editor, example nano, vim, to open the file. Adding Gzip directives within the HTTP block of your nginx.conf file, add the following configuration. Explanation Gzip on, enables Gzip compression. Gzip_disable MISI 6, disables Gzip for Internet Explorer 6, which has known issues with Gzip. Modern browsers are not affected. Gzip_vary on, adds the vary, except encoding header. This is crucial for caching servers, as explained earlier. Gzip_proxied any, enables Gzip compression for requests proxied through other servers, like CDNs. Gzip_comp_level 6, specifies the compression level, 1 to 9. Higher levels provide better compression but require more CPU resources. A value of 6 is a good balance. Gzip_buffers 16.8K, sets the number and size of the buffers used for compression. Gzip_HTTP_version 1.1, specifies the minimum HTTP version for Gzip compression. HTTP/1.1 is widely supported. Gzip_types, defines the MIME types that should be compressed. This list should include all the common web file types, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, XML, etc. As with the .access example, you may need to add more recent file types like image/web or image/IF as needed. Save and restart Nginx. Save the changes to your nginx.conf file. Then, restart Nginx to apply the changes. Or, depending on your system. Test. Clear your browser cache and test your website using a testing tool. Verify that the content encoding, Gzip header is present in the HTTP response. 4. Programmatic Gzip compression, advanced, rarely needed in WordPress. This method involves adding code to your WordPress theme's functions.php file or creating a custom plugin. It's the most complex approach and generally not recommended unless you have a specific reason to bypass the other methods. Adding code to functions.php, use with caution. Explanation *substra_count, $_server http_accept_encoding, Gzip, checks if the browser supports Gzip compression by looking for Gzip in the accept encoding header. *ob_start, ob_xandler, starts output buffering with the ob_xandler function, which compresses the output using Gzip. *header, content type, text/html, charset equals UTF-8, sets the content type header. *header, cache control, must revalidate, Sets a cache control header. Asterisk add underscore action, template underscore redirect, my underscore enable underscore Gzip, 0, hooks the my underscore enable underscore Gzip function to the template underscore redirect action, which runs before the WordPress template is loaded. The 0 priority ensures that this function runs early. Asterisk important considerations asterisk. Asterisk placement asterisk add this code to your theme's functions.php file or, preferably, create a custom plugin. Directly modifying the theme's functions.php file can lead to problems when the theme is updated. Asterisk conflicts asterisk this method can conflict with caching plugins or other performance optimizations. Thorough testing is essential. Asterisk debugging asterisk if you encounter issues, check your error logs and use debugging tools to identify the cause. Asterisk not recommended asterisk again, this method is generally not recommended unless you have a very specific need. Plugins and server-side configuration are usually more reliable and easier to manage. Testing and verification. After implementing any of the above methods, it's crucial to test and verify that Gzip compression is working correctly. Asterisk online Gzip compression checkers asterisk use websites like checkzipcompression.com or giftoffspeed.com/gziptest/ to check if your website is serving compressed content. Asterisk Gzip metrics and Google Page Speed Insights asterisk these tools will analyze your website's performance and indicate whether Gzip compression is enabled. Asterisk browser developer tools asterisk. 1. Open your browser's developer tools, usually by pressing F12. 2. Go to the Network tab. 3. Reload your website. 4. Click on a resource, example a CSS file, a JavaScript file, the HTML document. 5. In the headers section, look for the content encoding, Gzip header. If it's present, Gzip compression is enabled for that resource. Asterisk command line, curl. This command sends a request to your website with the accept encoding, Gzip header and only retrieves the response headers. The output will show the headers, including content encoding, Gzip if compression is enabled. Troubleshooting. Asterisk no content encoding, Gzip header asterisk this indicates that Gzip compression is not enabled for the requested resource. Double check your configuration and ensure that the correct MIME types are included. Asterisk 500 internal server error asterisk this is often caused by syntax errors in the .access file. Review your .access file carefully for typos or incorrect formatting. Asterisk website displays incorrectly asterisk this might be due to incompatible Gzip configuration with existing plugins. Disable plugins or caching to find out if it conflicts with the current setting. Asterisk hosting restrictions asterisk some hosting providers restrict Gzip compression settings. Contact their support team for assistance. Asterisk caching issues asterisk ensure your caching plugin is configured correctly and is not interfering with Gzip compression. Clear the cache after making changes to your configuration. Additional considerations for 2025. *.ly support * as mentioned earlier, *ly is a more efficient compression algorithm than Gzip. If your server supports *ly, consider enabling it for even better compression ratios. Many CDNs also support *ly. Inks, in particular, has good *ly support. You'd typically configure *ly in addition to, not instead of, Gzip, as not all older browsers support *ly. *HTTP/3, Quick HTTP/3 is a newer version of the HTTP protocol that uses Quick as its transport layer. Quick has built-in compression capabilities, which may reduce the need for explicit Gzip configuration in some cases. However, Gzip, or *ly, compression at the application level can still provide further optimization. Asterisk content delivery networks, CDNs. Most CDNs offer Gzip and .li compression as a standard feature. If you're using a CDN, make sure that compression is enabled in your CDN settings. Asterisk image optimization. Asterisk while Gzip can compress SVG images, it doesn't compress raster images, JPEG, PNG, WebP, AVIF. Optimizing your images by compressing them losslessly or lossy, resizing them, and using modern image formats, WebP, AVIF, is crucial for overall website performance. Many plugins can help with image optimization. Asterisk evolving web technologies. Asterisk stay up to date with the latest web technologies and performance best practices. As new compression algorithms and browser features emerge, adapt your website's configuration accordingly. For example, the accept encoding header may include newer compression algorithms. Summary: enabling Gzip compression is a straightforward but essential step in optimizing your WordPress website for speed and performance. Choose the method that best suits your technical skills and server environment. Remember to back up your files before making any changes, and always test your website thoroughly to ensure that Gzip compression is working correctly. By following these guidelines, you can significantly improve your website's loading times and provide a better user experience. As technology advances towards 2025, staying informed about newer compression methods, like .li, and emerging protocols, like HTTP/3, will allow you to leverage the latest optimization techniques.